welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Partners in Cream update for you. This is a project, I think this is the 4th year, pretty sure it's the 4th year. It was created by Steph Lyons and Dylan. They are going to be listed down below, and it goes from January 10 to December 10, so we get a month off before it starts over again, and I'm pretty sure it's going to come back again next year because it is so popular. And this is a way to use your products, like your cream-based products, cream-based makeup products, or liquid makeup, gel, anything that has a higher moisture content to it, basically no powders at all, because those things with moisture in them will go bad faster. They'll either dry out or they'll, get, nasty. They will get nasty, they will expire and cause a whole lot of problems. So this project was designed to encourage you to use those products that will go bad faster. So that being said, I believe it was 3 to 6 products in the intro. I have 5 in, and unfortunately I don't have any rollouts this update, but I do have some progress. So let me show you what I have in, and I will show it to you in the order that it came in. The first one is this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I had drawn a line on it, and I had quite a lot of space on it, and I am attempting to get to where I sharpen off this blue line that I've put on it. I am making such good progress. I think either next update or 2 updates from now, I am going to have this one as a rollout. Almost dropped the cap on the floor. And then it would have been puppy fodder. Yeah, so I am making such good progress on this. I use this usually on like my brow bone, and I really enjoy this a whole lot. It is slow going though, I will admit it takes a while. Next up is like the bane of my existence. This is the Essence Fix and Last 18-Hour Makeup Fixing Spray. This doesn't really do anything for my actual facial makeup. I don't feel like it holds my makeup on any longer than, not using it. And I don't really need it to take away that powdery look. All I have to do is wait like 10 to 15 minutes and my oily skin will do that for me. And yeah, it's not something that I need in my life, but I am using it when I do my foiled eyeshadows. There is not much in. I know I shake this every time. There's so little in there. I'm going to guess it's like down to here, but I'm just going to keep working on it. I know I've used it at least twice since the last update, maybe 3 times. I know I'm pushing it, right? It'll get there. It will definitely get there. It's going to be hanging out for a while, but I will have it done by the end of this project. All right, next is another Essence product. This is the Camouflage Concealer. It's a matte concealer. My goal was to hit 20 uses on this. I have only gotten 13 uses on it, and partially because, not because I don't need it, because if you look at these under eyes, I definitely need it. I'm exhausted, but the foundation that I'm using, it's the liquid version of like a tinted moisturizer, and it does not play nice with anything. I can't wear a primer under it. I can't use any kind of like concealer with it. Like by itself, it looks gorgeous. It's very sheer, which I'm okay with, but it just doesn't play with anything else. So I haven't been able to use this on the days that I use that foundation, and I really want to get that foundation done this year. So that has been my priority. If I don't hit the last 7 uses on this in the next month, I'm gonna cry. I probably won't, because I want that foundation done. I want it done. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. It is possible if I use a different foundation for 7 days, then I could probably get that one done. So we'll see. We will see how it goes. I forgot to pull out one of my products. I saw that it was a navy eyeliner on my spreadsheet, and I thought, oh, it's the pencil that I just threw at myself and my hair caught it. But it was not this navy eyeliner. It is this navy eyeliner, and I have not hit pan on it yet. That is my goal. I definitely have used it. You can see the disturbance here in the pan, but if I had thought about it, I probably would have made it a focus, but I didn't. I'm a slacker. I'm a slacker. So yeah, I want to hit pan on that. I think I can definitely do that by the next update. I'm going to put it in my like daily, I have a drawer of daily use makeup over here. It's all project panning stuff, but stuff that I want to focus on, I keep in my drawer right here at my right hand. And I'm going to put it in there. Of course, that's where I just took it out of, but I need to pare stuff down in there. So you know how that goes. And then the very last one is the Buxom Powerful Lip Plump Balm, and this is in the shade Flushed. It looks crazy dark, but it goes on fairly sheer. I mean, it is colored, but it's not, it doesn't look like a lipstick. Unlike the red one, which actually looks like a lipstick. My goal is 30 uses, and I have 13 on this as well. I have 13 on the concealer and 13 on this. Not sure how that happened, and I don't think I brought them in at the same time. Just a coincidence. Maybe 13 is my lucky number. It could be. I used to wear that for soccer, and you know, the one year I didn't wear it, I had bad luck. So 13 is a good number for me, actually. I know that's kind of weird. All right, not the most impressive update, but I do think I can probably have pan in the gel liner. You pull that back out because I have to photograph it so I can do the overlays. I do think I can have pan in this. Maybe on the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. Can you hear my dog turning over? She likes to sleep on her back. She's a weirdo. So maybe this one and maybe the concealer. I don't know. We'll have to see. I don't think the dreaded setting spray is going to be done, and I don't think the lip balm is going to be done. I mean, I suppose it's possible, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna focus on this project a little bit more for the next month because I feel like I've only had 3 rollouts so far. I know it's only April, but I know I can do better. So I'm going to focus on this project for the next month, and we'll see if we can get 2, maybe 3 rollouts for next time. Definitely go check out Steph and Delynn. Again, they're going to be listed down below. If there is a playlist or spreadsheet or anything like that, I'm going to have that listed down below. All the details, all the things, it's down there. And if I didn't cover it, I apologize. Just if you have a question, just ask because you know, that's just how I roll. I'm exhausted. It's almost midnight, and yeah, I got a lot of stuff to do, and I have a dog that's going to wake me up at 4 a.m. So I am going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.